Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for his compassion never fails. Lamentations chapter 3 verses 22. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm super excited to share this amazing and delicious chicken light soup recipe. This is going out to all my diasporans because sometimes it is very hard for us to get the boilers, which is very popular for us to make our chicken soup with. So today I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks to make the best chicken light soup using the very soft chicken we get on the market here in the diaspora. So if you're interested, please be sure to stay tuned. You're going to make the best chicken soup ever. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. Let's get started. So here are the list of ingredients. I'm using my chicken thighs today. I cut them into pieces that I prefer. They are very huge and nice. They're about 2 kilos. And here are my vegetables to make everything delicious. I have some fresh tomatoes, some yellow zucchini. I also have my large onions, ginger, garlic, carrots, and some peppers, and of course some tomato paste. And to spice and elevate the flavors for me, I am going to be using some aniseed and salt for taste. And the secret ingredient here is my tolo beef. Yes, this is going to take the taste and the aroma to the whole different level. I made this recipe right here and I'm going to link it here and below as well. So to begin with, I'm going to go ahead and peel off the zucchini. I'm using the yellow one. You can go ahead and use the green one. Okay, I find the yellow one a bit more sweeter and it adds so much great flavors. Okay, so I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces in my pot and I'll add all the other vegetables here, which are half size of the onions, 1 big scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also going to have 1 medium-sized carrot, which I have cut into smaller pieces, and there goes my fresh tomatoes and the tolo beef. Okay, I'm going to add 1 cup of water and allow this to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes until the vegetables are nice and soft. Boiling the tolo beef together with the vegetables help get rid of the extra salt that it has, and it also add lots more flavors to the vegetables, which I absolutely love. Okay, so while that is boiling, I'll go ahead and blend my garlic, ginger, and some onions, not forgetting our aniseed. I'll also add 1 large scotch bonnet pepper, which is going to give it extra heat that this chicken really needs. Okay, then I add half cup of water, blend it smoothly, and once it's done, I'll just go ahead and put all my chicken in my cooking pot, and we're about to start right now. This chicken is looking absolutely lovely. As you can see, they are nice and very soft, and it's going to just absorb all this goodness that we are pouring on. We add in our mixture and we're going to add just a tiny little bit of water, and I'll also add my tomato paste and some salt to taste. Why not? I'll make sure everything is nicely mixed together, cover it, and allow this to steam for about 10 minutes. All right. So after 10 minutes of cooking the vegetables, I sensed that they were ready. They were nice and soft, and the aromas from the tolo beef was also given. So I'll go ahead and add the stock or the water that I boiled vegetables with. Do not discard that. Okay, this even has extra taste to it from the tolo beef, so don't discard it. Add it back to the soup right where it belongs. At this point, you may decide to add the tolo beef or not. Really depends on how you like it. Some people want to just see chicken in their soup, which is fine. If this is your case, do not worry. All that you need are the juices and the waters from the tolo beef. It's going to add extra flavor to your soup, but in my case, I wanted to add the extra tolo beef for extra taste. If you know, you know. So I'm going to give it an extra 10 minutes. Allow this to boil while I'll go ahead and blend all my vegetables, and I'm going to add it back to the soup. Listen, fam, it is so easy. You know, the soft chicken is very, very tender, and it does not need a long time of cooking it. So you want to just Gently stir it. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Cover it slightly and allow this to boil for about 10 more minutes on a low heat. And just before you could say Jack, your soup will be so ready to enjoy. It is absolutely delicious and it smells so good. Allow this to cook or boil for about 10 minutes on a low to medium heat, and after 10 minutes afterwards, go ahead and lower your heat and just allow this to simmer for an extra 5 to 6 minutes, and voila! Your delicious chicken lice soup using your very soft chicken, it is ready to be served, fam. This chicken lice soup was so delicious. You could just ask for more and more and more. It was so tasty. I really want you to give this a try, especially for those of us who live in the northern part of Europe. It can be very hard to get by all the African ingredients and stuff, especially this hard chicken. You could walk miles, but you cannot get sometimes. So yes, this is the recipe for you. This is how I am managing anytime that I do not get my hard African chicken. And this has always worked for me. It is absolutely delicious. You can go ahead and try using your hard chicken as well. You will even love it more and more. All right, so I hope really you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Share to a few friends and family. It is so helpful, and you're going to help this channel grow into a much bigger one. Okay, so there you have it. I am so thankful that you stay right to the end. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.